Besides traditional tests and examination, there are more ways of assessments today for understanding student performance, to provide hands-on experience and train their problem-solving skills. Teachers always need to prepare group activity and project-based learning. So today, we are going to make use of project-based learning and group work generator in MagicSchool AI to design some group activities and project assessments. Okay, so first for the group work generator, we can search it from the search bar. Okay, as you can see, it shows up here. Let's press it. So in here, you can design a group activity for students during the lesson. So there are 4 inputs, which is the grade level, time of group work, topic, objective or standard, and number of students participating. So for the first input, after you choose the grade level of student, you can choose the time of group work, which range from 10 minutes to 50 minutes. Okay, maybe I choose 30 minutes here. So, and for the second input, time, objective, or standard, in here you can input the topic of this group activity. So for me, I will like my student to build a scoring board with Scratch programming. And I also mentioned the objective of this activity for students. For example, I want students to familiar with the concept of variables in Scratch programming. So I type here, the learning objective is set and change program in the block variables. Okay, so after you got idea of topic and the objective of the group activity, you can choose how many students in a group to attend this activity. For example, I would like students to pair in groups with 2. So I just choose 2 students. So after everything is set, you can enable the web search button, so it can reference the data which is updated from the web. Okay, so after everything is set, let's press generate. After a few seconds, it will provide a detailed activity plan for you. As you can see, it's got an introduction, materials, and the steps, which is in the instruction, including instruction planning, how students will finish the project, and the testing. And after the activity, it will also give students some tips for it to finish the project more easily. So if you want to edit the content here, you can prompt a message to the AI to tell it how to re-edit the activity plan. Okay, but if you want a group project instead of a group activity for students, which lasts for a longer period of time, for example, a week or a month, I suggest you to use the project-based learning generator instead. Let me type it. Okay, here. After choosing your student grade level, we can edit this text area to input the title or the description of the group project, which what you want your student to do in the group project. For here, for example, I want my student to build a maze game with Scratch programming. Okay, after I put in a title, we can put the detail of the group project. For example, I would like my student to familiar with the concept of variables in Scratch programming. So I would tell my student needs to use variables to record the score and level of the game. So in here, I type in some detailed requirement of the group project for students. So they need to use the variable to record this data for the game, so which can train them to be more familiar with this coding concept. So the last one is standard set online tool. If you have some rubric or some worldwide known standard, you can type in here or put here. You can also upload a soft copy of those rubric you got. After everything is set, you can enable the web search so the AI can search information from the internet, which is more updated. So let's press the generate. As you can see, it's built as a very detailed project learning plan, including how student roles in the project and how student can do reflection and cooperation during the project. So if you want to edit the detail in here, for example, in another format, you can just prompt here to send a message to the AI to tell it to re-edit this project-based learning plan. Last, please be aware that content generated by AI is not 100% accurate. As educators, we have the responsibility to double-check the output before applying it in our teaching.